Assalamu alaikum, I'm Jane from Boerui. Welcome to Shenzhen Boerui Technology Company Limited. Okay, let's go.
I know you're making up the truth.
Okay, now I will introduce to you the Boerui CHASE Torque screwdriver. This is our star product today, the Boerui CHASE Torque screwdriver. This screwdriver combines multiple innovative design and has won a practical innovation awards in China. Firstly, this screwdriver uses S2-alone steel special beads with a built-in strong magnet for easy absorption and removal. The built-in nose retraction bearing ensuring quiet and smooth operation during repairs. Its design aims to protect standoffs and screws, providing uniform strength and expanding the lifespan. The ball handle design provides a comfortable, non-slip grip. We have selected 6 commonly used beads: Phillips 1.5, Phillips 1.2, Black 2.5, White 0.6, Pentalobo 0.8, T2, which are suitable for most smartphone brands on the market. The oversized identification icons and color-coded design allow you to quickly find the required bit model or a cut desk. The screwdriver's top is equipped with a silent bearing, ensuring a comfortable experience during repairs. Our screwdrivers undergo thousands of precision tests during production to ensure a high fit between the bit and screw. The torque value is limited from the core, protecting standoffs and improve work efficiency. We have great respect for the universe and the bold spirit of exploration for the unknown. This screwdriver embodies a space dream and the ocean of star philosophy. The CHASE Torque provides your best choice. Thank you for watching. We are Boerui. And more product information, please contact me. Bye bye.